And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I want to show you how to use the auto reframe function. It's basically just another effect that we're going to use. I've got the simple sequence settings and I put my clip in it, and it's not really in center position, so we can just use the auto reframe effect right here and then drag and drop it onto the file. Then Premiere Pro does its auto analysis of it and puts it in center automatically, so it reframes the entire footage. Let me just roll the clip and you can see that now the main part of the footage is exactly in center. And you can do that whenever you've got a different sequence settings or a clip that doesn't fit your sequence settings. Let me just change it to 9020 x 1080. Click on OK. I'll confirm. And we've got this spot over here, but Premiere Pro, thanks to the auto reframe, does its analysis and puts it in frame. Let me just delete this effect and you can see what the original footage looks like. And once I drag and drop it on the file again, it's automatically repositioned and put in frame. You can adjust it right here by hand if you have to, or you can change the motion tracking, but in most cases the default is fine. If your auto analysis doesn't work, just start it manually by clicking on this Analyze button. And this is how you can use this auto reframe function in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.